This year I finally updated my PC situation and even made it a full self-build, which I'm really proud of. I got my first PC in 2017. It is a pre-built from iBuyPower and we had great 8 years together, but this year it was time for it to finally rest. And it was time for me to build my dream PC and really make it like a PC, you know? So first I had to figure out how I opened this damn case. I don't know why it was so hard for me, but it took a bit of time. I chose the Lian O11 Vision Compact case and I'm really happy with it. There's also the O11 Vision normal version, I don't know. It's a little bit bigger and it has some differences in the structure of the case, but it's kind of the same. Initially I wanted to buy this case, but it wasn't available at the time and the compact version is still sick, so whatever. After I figured out how to open the case, it was ready to get filled with all the hardware, so let's see what I got. I had to undo everything because the hoses from the cooling system pump were only allowed to point downwards, so I couldn't install them upside down, which meant my plan of laying the hoses invisibly in the back of the case, like I saw in some other builds, wasn't possible. Yeah. So me and my fiance disassembled and reassembled the whole thing. He helped me with my whole build, so I'm very thankful for that. And as if the whole reassembling alone wasn't frustrating enough, my camera battery died, so I don't have footage of us reassembling it. After that, I was so exhausted anyways, and it was also really late, so we decided to postpone any further installments until the next day. So yeah, let's continue the next day. Ta-da! There it is, all done. There was a minor issue I had to fix. The SSD wasn't being recognized. Turned out I simply hadn't screwed it tightly enough to the slot. And once that was sorted, everything worked perfectly and I was ready to start the Windows setup and install all the software I need. So now let's enjoy my hopefully satisfying protection film peel off. While you watch that, I'll talk a bit about some changes I made to the build, because as you can see, I swapped out the Arctic fans and installed 3 Lian intake fans on the radiator instead. I also added another Lian exhaust fan at the back for better airflow and overall circulation inside the case. And I think it looks a bit better when all the fans are matching. For a bit of personal flair, I added 2 skull panther figures inside the case. Fun fact, I bought these 2 especially for my case, and I think they fit very perfect and look super cute. I'm definitely planning to dive a bit deeper into customization in the future, so if you have any tips that also won't damage the hardware or mess with the airflow, feel free to share in the comments. And that's it. My dream PC. I absolutely love it, and building it myself with help from my fiance was such a fun and rewarding experience. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, see you in my next video, maybe.